Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to install app without payment method on iPhone, iPad. So guys, first of all, you have opened your setting. Now tap on Wi-Fi. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. This go back. You need to open App Store. Profile icon and tap your ID. Enter your Apple ID password. Tap on sign in and tap country region. Now tap on change country region and select your country. My country is United States. Now tap on agree. Now tap on none. Scroll it down. You can enter your fake street. And select your city. Type your city and type your zip code and type your phone number. Now tap on next and go back. After this step, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.